Hello everyone and welcome back to Levent English Academy. This is lesson number 5 of our business English course for A2 to B1 learners. Today's topic is a very practical one: how to make and answer a phone call at work in English. So we'll learn what to say when you answer the phone, you call someone, you introduce yourself clearly, you ask a person, you ask to speak to a person or leave a message. Now, let's start with answering the phone. So the phone rings, you pick up the receiver, what do you say? So answering a work call in a business context, you want to sound polite and professional. Here are 3 common ways to answer the phone. You can say, "Good morning, this is Alexander speaking," or "Hello, Levent School, how can I help you?" Or if you answer from a department, you can say, "Marketing department, Alexander speaking." This is a pro tip for you. Never say, "I am Alex," when answering a call. That sounds too informal, or basically it's a mistake. Instead, what you want to say is, "This is Alex from Levent English," or simply, "Alex speaking." These phrases are clear, natural and professional, especially at the start of a phone call. Now, back to answering. If the caller asks to speak to someone, you can say, "Just a moment, I'll transfer you," or "I'm afraid she's not available right now. Can I take a message?" or "Would you like to leave a message?" Now, part 2, making a call. Now, let's look at what to say when you make the call. So you dial the number and always start with a polite greeting and your name. That's the right way. For example, "Good morning, this is Alex from Green Tech," or "Hello, my name is Alexander. I'm calling from the sales department from Levent School." Then always explain the reason you're calling. For example, "I'm calling to confirm our meeting on Friday," or "I'd like to speak to someone about our order," or finally, "I'm calling regarding an invoice we received yesterday." If you want to speak to someone specific, you could say, "Could I speak to Mr. Rossi, please?" Or "Is Laura available? Can you put me through to the HR department?" Now, this is very, very important. Can you put me through to the HR department? It means, can you connect me? If the person is not available, you can say, "No problem, I'll call back later," or "Can I leave a message, please?" Now, here are some tips for you. Tip number 1, speak slowly and clearly, especially at the beginning. Number 2, always say your name and the company you're calling from. And number 3, use polite expressions like "could I," or "would you mind," or "I'd like to." Number 4, at the end of the call, confirm the details that you have agreed on, like perfect. So we meet on Thursday at 10. Now, it's practice time, so repeat after me. "Good morning, this is Alexander from Delta Motors," or "I'm calling to check the status of our order. Can I speak to someone in accounting, please?" "No problem, I'll try again tomorrow." Thanks very much. Have a great day. Now, it's time to wrap up this lesson. Great job today. Now you know how to answer a business call professionally, introduce yourself the right way, ask to speak to someone, take or leave a message politely. If you want a full lesson transcript, practice activities connected to telephone English and a downloadable summary, visit leventenglish.com and join the academy. And of course, leave a comment below. What do you usually say when you answer the phone in English? I'd like to know more about your telephone English skills. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for the next lesson. See you soon and thank you very much for having me.